To troubleshoot Apple Pay NFC payments, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a valid credit or debit card added to the wallet app. Check that your device has the latest software update installed, as outdated software can cause issues with NFC payments. Next, verify that NFC is enabled on your device. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure the Allow Payments option is turned on. Also, check that your card is active and not expired, and that you have sufficient funds in your account. If you are still experiencing issues, try restarting your device, as this can often resolve connectivity problems if the issue persists. Check the payment terminal at the store to ensure it supports contactless payments and that it is functioning correctly. Another common issue is that the device is not being held close enough to the payment terminal. Make sure to hold your device within a few centimeters of the terminal until you see the done and a check mark on the screen. Additionally, ensure that your device is not in low power mode, as this can disable NFC payments. If you are using a case or cover on your device, try removing it to see if it is interfering with the NFC signal. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try removing and re-adding your card to the wallet app, or contact your bank or card issuer to check if there are any issues with your account. You can also contact Apple support for further assistance with troubleshooting Apple Pay NFC payments. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve any issues with Apple Pay NFC payments, and get back to making convenient and secure transactions with your device.